India's Health Minister Harsh Vardhan today asserted that the spread of coronavirus has been contained in the country, citing how half the total cases are from 3 states only and another 30% from 7 others. His remarks come as the country is inching towards the grim mark of 2 million cases. It has already logged over 40,000 deaths and is recording more than 50,000 daily cases since the past few days. Speaking at a virtual meeting of WHO's Regional Director Southeast Asia, Poonam Khetrapal Singh, with health ministers from the region on maintaining essential health services and public health programs in the context of COVID-19 pandemic, Harsh Vardhan alluded to the efficiency of the government's containment strategy. The strategy has been successful in that 50% of the cases are from 3 states and 32% of the rest are from 7 states. The spread of the virus thus has been contained, he said. India had reported its first coronavirus case on January 30th when a student from Kerala who was studying in China's Wuhan University came back to India and tested positive for the deadly virus. Mumbai's Colaba recorded 293.8 millimeters of rain in 12 hours, the highest rainfall received in the period of 24 hours for August since 46 years. The incessant rains in the city have severely affected traffic and the daily lives of the people. Moreover, the wind speeds caused a lot of devastation with a total of 112 reports of tree felling incidents and as many as 6 houses collapses, and at least 10 incidents of short circuit were reported and some power cuts. The wind speeds recorded in South Mumbai was at an average of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour, occasionally hitting 106 kilometers per hour. The Mumbai police has asked the people to stay indoors and alerted against venturing out near the shore or waterlogged areas. As Mumbai and adjoining areas are expected to receive rainfall, the Coast Guard has dispatched a humanitarian assistance and disaster relief team of 2 officers and 10 enrolled personnel for flood relief operations of flood-affected areas of Mahad and Raigarh districts. The ongoing standoff with China is likely to be prolonged, Defense Ministry said in a status report on border tension in eastern Ladakh. The ministry has put out an update on Chinese aggression on the line of actual control on its website. The report said that the situation in eastern Ladakh, arising from unilateral aggression by China, continues to be sensitive and requiring close monitoring and prompt action based on evolving situation. The ministry stated that Chinese aggression has been increasing along the line of actual control, and more particularly in Galwan Valley since May 5, 2020. The Chinese side transgressed in the area of Kugrang Nala, Gogra and North Bank of Pangong So Lake on May 17th and 18th. 33 people, including 29 security personnel, have tested for COVID-19 in Mizoram in the last 24 hours, taking the state's tally to 537, a health department official said today. Of the fresh cases, 28 were reported from Aizawl district, 2 from Champai and 1 each from Lunglai, Kolasib and Sautal, he said. 29 security personnel are among the fresh patients. A nurse who has been taking care of coronavirus patients at Zoram Medical College has also tested positive for the disease. Mizoram now has 251 active COVID-19 patients, while 286 people have recovered from the disease. A total of 22,175 samples have been tested for the coronavirus infection. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inspected the ongoing construction of the Shillong International Centre for Performing Arts and Culture at Mao Diang. The Chief Minister inspected the site along with the Commissioner and Secretary, Department of Arts and Culture, F. Kharkongor. The prestigious project is constructed at an estimated cost of Rs 108 crore and the Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs has agreed to sanction additional 12.85 crore for light and sound show in 2 auditoriums, Black Box and Little Theatre. With positive cases rising all across the nation, the COVID-19 status of northeastern states are: Arunachal tally stands at 1,855 positive, 642 active, 1,210 recovered and 3 deaths. Assam's tally has gone up to 50,446 positive, 14,429 active, 35,893 recovered, and 121 deaths. Meghalaya's tally stands at 983 positive, 633 active, 345 recovered, and 5 deaths. Manipur's tally stands at 3,093 positive, 1,224 active, 1,862 recovered, and 7 deaths. Mizoram's tally stands at 538 positive, 251 active, 286 recovered. Nagaland's tally stands at 2,580 positive, 1,886 active, 685 recovered, and 6 deaths. Tripura's tally stands at 5,740 positive, 1,898 active, 3,793 recovered, and 31 deaths. Sikkim's tally stands at 800 positive, 496 active, 303 recovered, and 1 death. Total number of COVID-19 cases in the Northeast stands at 6,635 positive cases, 21,459 active cases, 44,377 who have recovered, and 174 deaths as of August 6, 2020. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the latest news that matters and stories that inspire.